what is the rule that defines the function shown in the graph? So this kind of function we can call a step function or piecewise function. So first of all, let's analyze this graph here from 2 to 4. And if we are analyzing this, but before that, just let me take a pen and let me write here f of x. So I want this to write in the form of the piecewise function. Because I have 3 graphs, so I am writing this with the 3 different functions. So let me write this here. And now I am analyzing first of all this function here. The last function. This function from 2 to 4. What's happened with the f of x? F of x can be minus 2, and the interval in the direction of the x is going to be from 2 to 4, and this we can write in this form. So this we can write this form. Let me write here. Here is a f of x is a minus 2. So I write minus 2, and now I am writing the interval. In what interval is? The interval is a open closed interval. Because it's a closed open interval, I can write this way. So x is in between the 2 and 4. This is the first part what I can write. Because here is from 2 is open. That's what is open is here, this open. And this is a closed interval. That's why I'm writing with a closed denotation, smaller or equal to 4. And now I'm going to this function here. And this function here is 1, 2. It's between 0 and 1. So let me write this as a positive, and let me write this as a 0.5. So it's a 0.5. Y is equal, f of x is equal to 0.5. And I'm looking the interval. In what interval is? If we are looking the interval is between 0 and 2. But 0 is closed. 0 is open, I'm sorry. And 2 is closed. That's why I'm writing this denotation. And here is a 2. And from 0 to 2. And now I'm going to the last function. Let me go to the last one. And here is between 2 and 4. So f of x is equal with 3. But interval is from minus 2 to 0. And minus 2 is open, and here is a closed interval. So now let me take a pen here, and I'm going to write this. So f of x is equal to 3, as I said earlier, and the interval is open closed interval is between, here in this side is open, and in the other side is closed, and in closed is in a 0, and here is minus 2. So this graph of the function we can interpret in this form.